Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Audi A3 vs Polo GTI full comparison. Follow along as I break down engine feel, interior comfort, and tech choices so you can pick the right hot hatch for your needs. I will highlight real driving impressions, fuel and maintenance expectations, and ownership trade-offs that matter most to buyers. Stay tuned for clear conclusions and a concise recommendation to match your driving style. Let's talk performance and handling in a friendly, clear way. I will describe how the Audi A3 feels more composed on highways, while the Polo GTI rewards cornering with lively responses. Expect notes on acceleration, steering feedback, and gearbox behavior to help you picture each car on real roads. I'll compare fuel use under spirited driving and everyday commuting so you understand how each model performs in daily life. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. Bento box. These leak-proof containers make meal prep easy for road trips, workshop lunches, or busy service weekends, keeping sauces sealed and trunks tidy with zero spills. They're a small upgrade that saves hassle during test drives and long commutes, and you can find the link and deals in the description. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll cover comfort, tech, and practicality so you know what living with each car feels like. I will describe seat comfort, noise levels, and infotainment ease in everyday scenarios like school runs and highway trips. We'll also compare cargo space, rear passenger room, and storage solutions to see which model fits family needs or commuter life better. Practical details will guide your final choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.